When we observe the controllers, we see a grip button, a trigger, we see a thumb pad, and we see an options button. And as we look closer at those, we see that the grip button, when depressed on either side, gives us a laser pointer out the front of the controller. The trigger, when depressed, executes whatever you're pointing at. The thumb pad itself has a number of icons, and as we look through those, we find that the bottom left one is what toggles on and off our CSI kit. So each time we depress that bottom left corner, we'll toggle it on, depress it again and toggles it off, and so forth. Each time you depress that button, it toggles it. The upper left button toggles on and off our clipboard, and that clipboard is used for taking notes, so each time you depress the upper left one, it toggles that. The two icons on the right are used for controlling the tools. Whether you dispose of a tool or sort of hold on to it, allows you to do that. The options button above that gives us the options menu. And so it allows us to hit quit, save, or main menu. And each time you touch that little button above the thumb pad, it turns on and off the options menu. So both controllers allow most of the actions to occur the same on each.